Hello everyone, welcome to omcmacOS.com. This video is about how to transfer GoPro video to Mac. So on this article, I have I have shared two methods. The first one is use SD card reader, and the second is wireless transfer via GoPro Wi-Fi. So I like workflow to both method. The first one is use the SD card. Yeah, it's similar to just use this device like this and the hook like this to plug the other card to this device and then you plug in your Mac. You open the Finder and you will see, yeah, here it's here. And just go DCIM and this folder is contain all your media. The second method is use the wireless transfer via Google Wi-Fi. So I use Google 7 and this method work for me perfectly. Um, I travel, I'm not at home and I forgot the cable and this other card reader, so I cannot like copy the data from the other card to my Mac. So I find out this method and use it to download all the data from my other card to my Mac and then I format all the data from other card to record a new video because it's full. So now I will do a step by step to guide you to wireless transfer via Google Wi-Fi. So now you need to open your GoPro. I have Google 7 right now, and I will turn on the power. Yeah, it's turned on, and then I have to connect um, GoPro to my phone, and I use the quick app because I connect my GoPro before, so it's automatically connected. And now I will uh, tap on View Media, and you see it require me to on the Wi-Fi, Google Wi-Fi. So I just tap on the zone. Just wait for a second. It's still connecting. So now you see I can see all the data, the video and photo from the world via my app with quick app. So now I will back to my Mac and click on the Wi-Fi icon, and then I see the Wi-Fi Hero 7 black here. Just click on it. So after you connect the Wi-Fi uh, successfully, you just copy this URL here, copy, and then you see the Safari and just paste it and hit the enter. Now you will see we see all the media and file photos from update that plot into the GoPro. If you want to download it, so try it and click on download the file right now. Do the same for all. The speed is depend on the Wi-Fi bandwidth, and we can only download zip files at a Samsung. And this video is just about it. I just want to share about two methods, and the second method is using the Google Wi-Fi. It really helped me because my case if I forgot this device and I forgot the cable that connect directly from my GoPro to my Mac, and I only have the one SD card and the cat is completely full 100%. So I need to transfer the data that I record before to my Mac, and then I will format the SD card to keep recording in a new video. So that video that's done here, and I hope it will helpful to you if you have the same case with me. See you in the next video.